PETLIBRO Dockstream battery-operated automatic water dispenser. Ensure your pet stays hydrated with the PETLIBRO Dockstream battery-operated automatic water dispenser, a smart and efficient solution for pet owners who prioritize their furry friends' health. This advanced water fountain is designed to provide fresh, flowing water, encouraging pets to drink more and stay properly hydrated. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this dispenser offers hassle-free placement anywhere in your home without the need for a nearby outlet. The long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted operation, making it ideal for busy pet owners. The Whisper Quiet water pump operates smoothly, making it perfect for noise-sensitive pets while maintaining a calming environment. Choose between a continuous flow or an intermittent mode to suit your pet's drinking preferences. Equipped with an advanced filtration system, the PETLIBRO Dockstream removes impurities, hair, and odors, providing your pet with clean and fresh-tasting water. The generous water capacity reduces the need for frequent refills, ensuring a consistent water supply for multiple pets or extended periods. The detachable design allows for effortless cleaning, while the water level window helps you monitor when a refill is needed. Water dispenser is a must-have addition to your pet care routine. Its innovative cordless design, superior filtration, and quiet operation make it the perfect blend of convenience and functionality. Give your pet the best hydration experience with PETLIBRO. Click the link below to get yours today.